CZ has done it again, introducing the third generation of the legendary BREN assault rifle, the CZ BREN 3. With cutting-edge modularity, extreme durability, and unmatched precision, this rifle is ready to redefine modern combat. Welcome to The Legacy. Today we're diving deep into CZ's latest masterpiece, the BREN 3. If you've been following the evolution of this iconic rifle, you'll know it's built for adaptability and reliability. So, what's new in this third-generation model? Let's find out. The CZ BREN 3 introduces a revolutionary, multi-caliber modular design, making it incredibly versatile. It's available in two main calibers, 5.50, 6.45 NATO, and .300 AHC Blackout. Each caliber offers multiple barrel lengths, from compact 7-inch barrels for close quarters to longer 16.5-inch barrels for extended range precision. This modularity means you can easily adapt the rifle for various missions without the need for an entirely new firearm. Flexibility at its finest. When it comes to durability, the CZ BREN 3 is a true workhorse. It's been tested to meet NATO's AC/2125D/14 standards, which means it can handle extreme temperatures, salt water, mud, dust, and more without compromising performance. The 3-position gas regulator is another standout feature, ensuring the rifle performs reliably even when using suppressors or operating in heavily contaminated environments. The BREN 3 is designed with the operator in mind. It's fully ambidextrous, making it perfect for left or right-handed users. The fire mode selector is intuitive, offering safe, single-fire, and automatic options. The collapsible telescopic stock provides excellent comfort and portability, whether you're on the move or setting up for a precise shot. Customization is key in modern warfare, and the CZ BREN 3 delivers with its high-strength aluminum MLOK handguard. You can easily mount optics, lights, lasers, and other tactical accessories to match your mission needs. To recap, the CZ BREN 3 offers unparalleled versatility, reliability in extreme conditions, and operator-friendly design. Whether you're a professional in the field or a firearms enthusiast, this rifle sets a new standard for modern assault weapons.